my hair, but it never lasts. So someone tell me what to do. And like usually hairsprays don't work. So far this week, I haven't been doing well with my diets, and usually that would stop me from working out again because I see like no point in working out if I'm just gonna give up and gain it all again. But I think I learned how to like exercising even if I'm feeling down. So right now I'm just doing some like ab exercises instead of like very intense exercises that I do, but I don't want to give up and I don't want to be so harsh on myself. So that's just a PSA to anybody who's feeling the same as me. I'm not feeling that great this week, and that's okay. We have our ups and downs in our journeys, and that's fine. Yeah, I just wanted to show that even though I try to be positive on my YouTube channel, but that it's not everything is just gonna come this easy. So hi guys, so I just got ready real quick because I'm going to my group meeting. Just wanted to do a skin update because I haven't done it in like a week, but I've been breaking out real bad, covering it with my hair. Hi guys, so I'm back home because the weather is not looking so good, so my parents suggested to go back home while I still didn't reach the highway. And so yeah, I'm home and I'm really hungry, so I think I'm just gonna go cook and like probably read a book and chill. So
next time I decide to eat at night, remind me that my tooth broke when I decided to snack on chips at night. This is how my week is going, guys. It's not that great, so.
I don't even know what it's called because it's always in Korean.
Yeah.
But it's like, if you know, you know. And then I'm also gonna try my first milk keys. Give me some bathroom.
I taste it. It's good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that tastes like the original.
It tastes more artificial than the chips.
Yeah.
I want to try this.
Actually pretty good.
Tell me, it literally tastes like the Korean snap. Oh, it's the foam. My week has not been going great. Kind of got lazy with my workouts and my diets. There's just a lot going on right now with school and other things, and it's just been a lot of emotions. I am just trying to pick myself up together, and I just wanted to share and be a little bit vulnerable, and I'm not gonna hide that. This is what the channel is for, to see my growth, my ups and downs. And yeah, so if you're down right now like me, I wish and I pray for you to get back up there, to get the strength, get yourself together, and I love you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for letting me be vulnerable with you guys. I'll see you in the next vlog.